Today, Robert!
Today we're gonna draw bees.
Facts time!
Did you know the average beehive can house around 50,000 bees? The members of the hive can be divided into 3 types: queen, workers, and drones. Worker bees go from one flower to another collecting nectar, whereas the queen bee lays all the eggs. At the height of the season, she may lay over 2,500 eggs per day. Now let's learn how to draw them. To draw a bee, we are first going to start off by making an oval like this. Then we are going to add wings by making an M at the very top of your oval, like this. Next, we are going to add some stripes. Make a curved line, and then make another curved line. Now we're going to repeat that step, curved line, and then another curved line. Now you should have 2 stripes going across your bee's body. Now we are going to fill them in with our marker, like this. As you can see, Kinsley decided to add a 3rd stripe, which is completely fine. I went with 2 and she went with 3. Correction, she actually went with 4. Next, we're going to add a little stinger like this and fill it in. Then we are going to add a face. I did a little smiley face. Kinsley added eyelashes. Then we're going to add some details to our wings by adding a stripe in the center. Then add some black dashes behind your bee to make it look like it's flying. Finally, we are going to add the legs by making 6 lines coming from your bee's body, like this. To add a pop of color, Kinsley and I colored in the bee body yellow, but this is optional and completely up to you. And voila! You have a honeybee.
Thanks for watching.
Hello! Today... Hello! I guess. Hello, fellow makers. Today we are going to learn how to draw bees. Grab your pencil or pen and let's get started.
Can we get it?